Hi, welcome to Time Studios. My name is Hiroyuki Sato, a technical account manager based out of Tokyo. Today's feature review is simplified customer firewall requirements. So let's start. Until now, Genesis requires customers to open their firewall to a little wider, like listed on the left, by specifying an asterisk at the beginning of the URL. Access to S3 that is not related to Genesis was also permitted. So, Genesis had changed the requirements which customers need to open their firewalls to URL. It is now possible to allow access only to the Genesis S3 bucket by specifying a subdomain instead of an asterisk. Thank you for watching. Please comment below or email us any questions at timestudios@genesis.com.